Hi. Okay, right now I'm going to talk about my dreams and my goals. First, I will have a good grades in my courses. Of course, I will. And then I will be a cum laude student at my university. And then uh, one day I will be able to intern at the United States of America Embassy. Then why? Because when I able to work there, I will have a lot of opportunity on my goals. Yeah, and then I want to have good career goals. Yeah, I just no. I will. I will have a good financial stability too. Then I will work at one of my favorite governmental organization like International Criminal Police Organization, or as you know guys, Interpol. Yeah, I will. I will to work at that governmental uh, organization. Then I will be going to traveling around the world with my husband and my family. And one of my dreams is to live in Switzerland. That is because that country is a very, very beautiful country. Another reason that I will stay in that country is because it has a really calm and peaceful environment. I will, I will, I will going to make my parents proud of my goals and happy of my achievement. Then I will be a healthy person with my husband. I will build a happy family. Then I will achieve our next goals together. Yeah, that's just some of my dreams and my goals. Maybe I have another dreams and my goals, but I think that I'm not thinking about that right now. So that's just my dreams and my goals for now. Okay, thank you.